Good morning, my name is James Klim. This is what it's like early in the morning on the ranch because my dogs wake me up at dawn. Looking at the sunrise, it's about 4:30 and there's nothing like it in the morning. I do get up early here on the ranch and I go to bed early as well. This channel, James Klim DDS on YouTube, has been primarily focused on CEREC as we've evolved through the years. In fact, I went back and looked at when I posted my first video and it was over 10 years ago and it's been an amazing ride. Now here's the good news. I love creating content. A lot more is going to come on this James Klim DDS channel. In fact, we're going to expand it. Yesterday I shot my first We Talk Dentistry podcast, which is a new series that I'll be introducing to the internet, the social media. I'm still having to decide whether I want to make it part of this channel on YouTube or do I make it a separate YouTube channel. One thing I want to do about James Klim DDS on YouTube is to expand what it covers within our ecosystem of dentistry. Dentistry is so much more than what we do chairside. It's about a complete life. It's about a work-life balance. And that's a really strong focus of mine, particularly now that I've practiced almost 40 years and I can reflect back in my career and think about the decisions that were great and some of the decisions maybe that I would have done differently. And if we can pass this on to my community, to me, it's about giving back at this stage in my career. One thing I'm really excited about in my professional life is I practice in Santa Rosa. I have my digital studio theater up here at my homestead. I want to thank my wife, Carrie. She oversaw the construction of this as well as designing it. And you'll see a lot of content coming from this studio up here. I still will stay within the CEREC system, even though I'm branching out into other softwares, particularly ExoCAD, and then I'll be using the PM7 puck milling unit up here and making content for Ivoclair and content for this online channel. Part of this YouTube channel that I want to convey is about living your dream, making choices, so as you make choices and they start to build, you're guiding your ship, your dream ship, your go ship, so you'll end up where you want to go. And in that way, you'll have a lot of positive experiences, and then there's going to be hiccups along the way. One thing my dad taught me about hiccups in life is find the silver lining in it. Whether it's something we chose or something that happened to us, we find that silver lining and then we make choices. We build our skill sets. Some of our greatest skill sets in life come from our challenges. I want to share that whole topic of my life as we interview other movers and shakers in dentistry so we can come across on this channel with a wealth of information. And this dream of mine started years ago when I heard Dr. Pride talk about a dentist who had a one-chair practice way out in the country. He already had some notoriety in dentistry and people would travel there to have their dentistry done. And that's what I've done up here at my homestead. And I'm really looking forward to that journey because I'm going to tape it. I'm going to put it here on this channel so I can share with you this journey of life, making choices, and also this community that I love so much. So thank you for watching this video. Several other things that I want to alert you to. I don't really promote it much on this channel, but at cadstar.tv or thekliminstitute.com online. For those that are CEREC users, I have a full online training platform. There's a lot of videos on here, particularly with finishings and current applications with what we do with the software. CEREC has been amazing for me in my career. It's been a cornerstone of my practice. Even though I'm expanding, I always will be grateful for CEREC and where the system is now, and I will continue using that and promoting videos on this site using that system. But if you want a little more detailed in the information platform, what I provide online, I pretty much provide what I do. There's hundreds of videos on there. They have the same quality of the videos that you see here on YouTube. In fact, a lot of the ones here on YouTube I do shoot for my online, except the online's a lot more expansive. There's a yearly membership fee for that of $7.95. I know it's a lot of money. If you were to take my live classes, that would be about $14,000. So to me, it's about providing abundant information, doing what we love to do, and I love connecting with you folks. In addition to my online site, or if you've taken one of my live classes, you also will have access to me with my online Facebook group, and that's where we really communicate, review cases. I do a lot of videos there as well and produce weekly video updates and also respond. And we'll interview some of the members of the site so we can talk about cases as they arise. I want to have a broad relationship with those of you that I've connected with. That's my dogs, and they're having fun. When I'm here at the homestead, I do get inspired in the morning. I love hanging out with my dogs. I'm going to end this video with what we can learn from our dogs. And there's a lot that I learned from them in how we can live life and have that embracement of a better lifestyle, particularly in the way we treat people. We can learn a lot of that from our dogs. So let's watch Jordan and Xena.